Hey YouTube, it's Lip Balm Queen here. Just want to get on here today, and I wanted to do a unboxing, excuse me, of my Influenster Reese's Spreads box. I got this box. I think it was it Monday or Tuesday? I may have got Tuesday in the mail, and I was super excited because I had got the email the other week saying that it was coming and that I had got a Vox box, and I was so excited. So definitely excited about this one. And this one is something that's completely awesome, and my kids and my husband and me have all got into now, so I'll definitely be showing you the container. First of all, inside the box you get this little card that gives you recipe ideas, and then it sent you a 13-ounce Reese's spread peanut butter and chocolate spread. And this thing is amazing. It's not, okay, like I still have some in it, but me and my family will put a killing on it. There's not that much in there now, but this stuff is so good. Oh my gosh, it's like you take a spoon, okay? You can spread it on whatever you want to, but if you take a spoon and just put some in your mouth, it tastes just like eating a Reese's cup. I mean, just like eating a Reese's cup. There's no difference. It's like just eating like a Reese's cup. And I was super excited to get this. I got this totally free from Influenster. I didn't have to pay, and they don't sponsor me or nothing like that. But all you do is you make an Influencer account. You go to www.influenster.com, and you go on there. And if you don't have an account, you go in, you log in. It's totally free. You log in, and then there will be a main home page. And when you go to that page, there will be different products on there that you can go on there and just click on the product and review it and tell them what you think of the product, and if you've ever tried it before, or if you want to try it, and if you would, you know, tell anybody else about the product or something. You know, they just ask you a few questions. And the more that you review products and that you're more active, and then if you involve your social media in it, like let's say I tried this product and I was like, oh God, it's so good, guys. Well, if I went on my Facebook and posted that on my Facebook, like Influencer sees that and they're like, wow, they're like, you know, she really does use her social media and she really does like to review products. They'll send you more boxes. That's how they do it. Like, the more you're active with your social media and that you do more like reviews and things, the more likely you are to get products sent to you so you can review for them. But on here, I wanted to read this card because on the back of this card it says Reese's Spreads. It says Reese's Perfection in a Jar. Make snacking even more delicious with new Reese's Spread, the perfect combination of a chocolate and peanut butter flavors in spreadable form. Based on the iconic Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, Reese's Spread delivers the unique, one-of-a-kind combination of chocolate and peanut butter taste to any food, anytime, anywhere. And it'll retail in the stores for $3.89. That's how much that this would be if you go to like a grocery store or Walmart or wherever. That's how much it retails for. And like I said, I got it totally free from Influencer to review and to share with y'all what I thought. This is a 13-ounce jar, and you can find it in, it's now available at grocery stores, drug stores, and convenience stores. You can find it anywhere, pretty much is what they're saying. But here is what I wanted to read to y'all. It says perfect pairings. It says Reese's Spreads will make just about everything perfect by bringing the taste of Reese's peanut butter cups to any snack. Here are a few snack ideas. And this is really their snack ideas, okay? Because some of these sounded good to me and some were like, whoa, you know, that's far-fetched. But this one here sounded okay. It's a Reese's Spreads and pita chips. I'm not a big pita chip fan, so I don't know if I would have liked that or not. But then they do Reese's Spread with vanilla wafers, and I think I might like that because I like vanilla wafers. Then they have Reese's Spreads and banana chips. And then Reese's Spreads and pretzels, Reese's Spread and fruit, and Reese's Spreads and bacon. The one with the bacon, I don't know. I mean, I know everybody in the world loves bacon, but I don't know. But there's the different pairings that they had showed you. There's the pictures of the different things they had said. And I'm just super excited about this. I'm glad that they sent me this to review. I'm super excited about it. And like I said, as you can see, it's good because it's almost gone. My kids could not wait. I was like, I've got to make a video, but we were like, well, let's test it out so I can do my actual honest review on my channel. So we tested it out. My husband loved it, my kids loved it, and I absolutely loved it. So I'm super excited about this. And on the back of this, I do want to read this to y'all if y'all do purchase it, which I'm sure you'll read it too, but it says do not refrigerate, because you don't need to refrigerate it, and you don't microwave it for any reason, because I think it messes up the consistency and stuff. But this is a from the Hershey Company, and it's the Reese's spread, peanut butter and chocolate. So if you haven't tried this yet, definitely go to the nearest store, that since obviously every store has it now, and check it out and try it, because if you really love Reese Cups, you'll absolutely love this. It's all it is. It tastes just like a Reese. It's amazing. But definitely try it out. And then we took gold what are them things called? The golden graham crackers. And we just put some on that and ate it like that, and it was really good. So that's not one of the pairings that they have, but that's definitely a good one. Just doing like the golden graham crackers. But this is just amazing. So thank you so much, Influenster, for sending me this so I could review it for y'all. And I absolutely love this. This is amazing. I definitely will be repurchasing this at my store. So super excited about that, and please check out influenster.com. I will leave the information in the description box down below so you can go and log into this and get started. Because the more you're active on the Influenster channel and on your social media with Influenster, the more likely you are to get boxes sent to you so you can review products. So I will talk to you guys next time, and I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. And I will leave all the information for Influencer in the description box down below. So make sure you check it out, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.